Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of replacing the M.2 SSD in your Lenovo Yoga 720 15IKB. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage to your components. Start by powering off your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, flip the device over to access the back panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the back cover. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the clips holding the cover in place. With the back cover removed, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the M.2 SSD slot. It is typically situated near the center of the motherboard. You will notice a single screw holding the SSD in place. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove this screw and set it aside. Now, gently pull the SSD out of its slot at a slight angle. If you encounter any resistance, double-check that the screw has been fully removed. Once the SSD is free, take a moment to clean the area with a soft brush or compressed air to remove any dust or debris that may have accumulated. Before installing the new SSD, ensure it is compatible with your Lenovo Yoga 720 15IKB. Insert the new M.2 SSD into the slot at the same angle as the previous one. Once it is securely in place, replace the screw to hold it down. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assist you with any concerns you may have about the installation process. After securing the new SSD, it's time to reattach the back cover. Align it carefully and press down gently until you hear the clips snap back into place. Replace the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened securely but not overly so, as this could strip the threads. Now, flip your laptop back over and power it on. You may need to enter the BIOS to ensure that the new SSD is recognized. To do this, press the appropriate key during startup, usually F2 or delete, depending on your model. Once in the BIOS, navigate to the storage section to confirm that your new SSD appears. If you encounter any issues during this process, remember that we offer collection and delivery at your home. No calls, no travel, just a simple and convenient service to get your device back in working order. Once you have confirmed that the SSD is recognized, you can proceed to install your operating system or restore from a backup. This is a great opportunity to clean up your system and ensure optimal performance. In summary, replacing the M.2 SSD in your Lenovo Yoga 720 15IKB is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance your device's performance. If you prefer to leave it to the professionals, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. Thank you for following this guide, and enjoy your upgraded laptop. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.